This is like otherworldly. And this is all within our country. That's the thing that's crazy, is that like a lot of times you have to go to other, if you're, you know, in Europe, you have to go to other countries to see things like this. This is like a flight away.
So if you think your life is hard, compare it to the tree growing.
We're stuck between a rock and a hard place.
We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience. Nevada! Or Nevada.
You can't use that, it's yeah, so we're in Nevada, we're in Reno. Brian's out here for work, but because it's right before I moved to Tennessee, I am coming along for the ride.
Love it.
And yeah, we're just enjoying the beautiful mountains, and we're heading to Lake Tahoe right now, just for the heck of it, just to explore. Basically, the rest of the week though, Brian's gonna be working for his company, and I get to explore by myself. So it's gonna be interesting. Sorry, bud.
First views of Lake Tahoe. Unbelievable. It's literally so crystal clear. All the way down to the water's edge. People kayaking and stand-up paddleboarding. And it just gets even better and better the further down you come.
This is just like otherworldly. Those have like the perfect ripples in the sand.
We're walking on the beach. This is Sand Harbor State Park. What do you think?
Amazing. Possibly one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen.
So beautiful. Doggo. Not lower.
Somehow Brian always makes dog friends.
Dogs like me, what can I say?
That's a good sign. This is like otherworldly. And this is all within our country. That's the thing that's crazy, is that like a lot of times you have to go to other, if you're, you know, in Europe, you have to go to other countries to see things like this. This is like a flight away. Hey guys, I am here solo. I hiked down to Secret Cove, is what it's called. And obviously there's nobody here because it's March 1st. But honestly, I've never seen water this clear in my entire life, so I figured you guys would want to see. Absolutely beautiful, incredible. I'm running around like a crazy person, trying to get pictures. Surprise. I hiked about a mile, but I also parked further away than I needed to. So probably not that far of a hike, but I just can't get over how beautiful and clear this incredible water is, and just, perfect. Hey guys, I'm here at Emerald Bay. You can see the island there in the middle here. This is where I've been coming in the mornings to kind of shoot some sunrises hopefully tomorrow will be the best of them all, because the last 2 days have been a little disappointing. But anyway, you can see how gorgeous this is through here. These giant mountains, you can't even like see exactly how high they are, but just like absolutely incredible. So I wanted to take a video of these hairpin turns that I've been taking to get up here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get back in the car, we're gonna go on these roads, and honestly they are crazy insane. So let's take a ride. And you kind of come out to this crazy flat thing where you feel like you're on top of the world a little bit. Just insane, crazy. Oh, don't take your outfit off. They're literally right on the edge. Just wild, wild views. Here's the warning, 10 mile an hour. I've actually been going slower than that. That's the road I was just on. There we go, I've got another one. Now again, back at the stunning views of these mountains. Just absolutely beautiful. Alright, back to 10 mile an hour.
It's Friday. I'm off work. Travel day. We are here at Kings Beach.
He's finally back. I'm not alone anymore.
We are at the California side of Lake Tahoe. Doggo on the beach. And yeah, we were supposed to be in Yosemite.
Yeah, we were supposed to head to Yosemite National Park, but they were supposed to get like 16 inches of snow today and 9 tomorrow, and we were like, we're just gonna get stuck there. So we decided it would be better just to stay around Lake Tahoe, and I've been driving around for the past 4 days, so Brian says that he has a guided tour guide now. So.
It's true, it's pretty cool.
Yes.
But this is Kings Beach.
Rain just picked up.
A little cloudy today, rainy a little bit, but we're gonna make the best of it.
To clear up in an hour or two, but for now.
We're on the Vikings home trail.
Sure. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but
it's a mile. Our goal is to get down there. So if you look out on the island, there's a little house out there. My tour guide has informed me that that is a tea house. And it is closed this time of the year, which is kind of sad, because if you swim over there, it'd be nice for a hot cup of tea to warm up. But it's closed, so I guess come back when it's hot and get yourself a nice piping hot cup of tea when it's hot. We found a Viking castle. It's the snow here is so tall, as you can see where Megan is standing, that we are pretty much eye level to the second floor. Look at that. All right, so we stumbled upon a phenomenon. These big trees, Megan said, split and crack all the time, and she's seen it all the time. However, this is wild though.
Because I've seen them where they're open and it's just burnt, like it's just black.
Right. But instead they bricked it up. Saturday morning.
Snowing again.
Snowing again, fog's still here. We are Cave Rock. Megan's been here before.
Something was beautiful and clear, and now it's like...
Now it's like this.